Today we're replacing the inner and outer brake bulb on your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we'll do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa, and let's get to it. First we're going to take care of the outer, and then we'll take care of the inner. To replace the outer, we'll need to first come in here. We'll see this panel. This needs to be removed. To remove this panel, grab a flathead and wedge it in between one of the openings to pry free the panel. Looking inside, we'll see a lot going on, but we're mainly focusing in this area. In this area, we'll see one electrical connector and three 10mm nuts. All of these need to be disconnected and removed. To remove the connector, reach in behind. There's a little tab here. Grab it, push in, and pull up. With the electrical connector disconnected, we can focus on our nuts. Be very careful not to drop these inside the interior of your vehicle. Once the three nuts are removed, just grab your taillight assembly, slide it out. Now as we can see, the taillight assembly is still held on by this weather seal. Just push in somewhere on the inside and just slowly pull it out, and the whole thing will disconnect. Before we replace any bulbs, we need to know which is which, so we're replacing the right one. You have your main brake bulb, your turn signal bulb, which is kind of right here, and then your daytime running light. Turning it around, we see the same thing. We have your DRL, your turn signal bulb, and your main brake light. To remove the outer brake bulb, grab the assembly, twist it left, slide the connector out. From here, grab your brake bulb, twist it left, and then slide it out. Next, we'll grab our bulb with a paper towel or glove to prevent a hot spot. Notice the pin on the bulb and the groove in the connector. Slide it in, push down, and twist to the right to install it. If for any reason your bulb will not tighten when you try to install it, it could be the pins are backwards. As you can see there, one is higher up than the other. Just twist the bulb around and try it again. Once the bulb's installed in the connector, slide it into the grooves, twist it to the right to lock it in place. With the bulbs replaced, we can install our taillight assembly. To install the taillight housing, slide the connector in first. Once you get to the weatherproof, you'll just squish it in until you feel it slide into its slot. To install the taillight assembly, take note of the 4 studs. Align everything together and slide it into place. From here, we can install our 10mm nuts. Do not drop them, you will lose them. Tighten them till they're snug. And push in the electrical connector till it clicks. From here, grab your panel. Make sure these 2 tabs are facing the back. Slide it in place, push till it clicks. Now that the outer is done, we can focus on the inner. Coming underneath the tailgate, we'll see this panel. This needs to be removed. Got to remove this panel. There's a groove here and here for a flathead. Just put it in and pry it out. Our light bulb's right here. From here, twist the connector left, lefty-loosey, pull it out. See where your bulb here, same thing. Lefty-loosey, pull it out. Grab your new bulb, hold it with a rag or something. You don't want oil for hot spots. Put it in, twist it right, righty-tighty. Put it in the slot, line up the grooves, righty-tighty, till it clicks. Let's put on our panel. When putting your panel on, it does go on a specific way. There's one side, kind of looks like hangers or sliders, and the next are the actual clips or what grabs onto the panel. You're going to take the hangers, put them toward the front side, slide them over, and then you'll just push the rest of it in until it's flush. And that's it. Test it out and make sure everything works. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out and that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.